boy Apparently Easy back again with another video. Yeah, so today I have a special guest. It's actually one of my first collaboration, I don't know, my first guests on the channel. And her name, yeah, you already saw, I mean, we were just at the park, we're literally just leaving the skating park. And her name is... Yeah, that's L Drip Drip. You already know the vibes.
You know what, actually, I was just thinking.
What? Hold the camera.
I was just thinking, yeah, I bet Mr. Mannequin over here can put together a better skate fit than I can. Hey, you,
really?
the tuna. What do you guys think?
I don't believe that.
I believe it.
Okay, you know what?
I accept your challenge.
This might have just turned into a challenge.
It's a challenge.
Okay, alright, you know what? What's the time right now? Guys, mind you, is literally... We just got done skating and it's 5:08. So wait, the thrift store is not closed.
It's not closed.
Alright,
you know what that means?
Yeah, let's go. Let's see that's how we can put up what we can pull off today, you know. Team Mannequin, stand up!
Nah, y'all can sit down. Y'all can sit down. This way.
Okay.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
What's your team name? You have to give them a name.
It's my team name. I mean, El Drip.
El Drip Drip.
El Drip.
Drip Drip.
Drip Drip.
Yeah, but not today because, you know, Mannequin is in the building and we're about to...
We're gonna see.
Oh no, you know what? Right now, comment down below as you're watching the video who you think will win. Cause you already know I'm Mr. Fly guy. But I'm about to drive, so I can't vlog and drive. Don't vlog and drive, kids. Don't text and drive. Don't. Yeah, that's word of advice. That's word of advice. But we'll catch you at the thrift store.
Yep.
Well, we just got here. I just finally found parking, and we're at the thrift store. I'm about to drop off at the secret location.
Secret location.
I would tell you where I'm getting this stuff from, or where she's getting her her losing fit from. But like, you guys have to request. If you want to know what.
He's already hating.
If you want,
starting, you're hating.
if you want to know where we're gonna get our fits from, you have to comment down below. And you know what? Let me try and challenge you guys. I know it's not at that time, but let's try and challenge you guys. Let's get this up to what 300 likes. Is that, yeah, 300 likes. Let's do that. 300 likes. Yeah, but oh, hold on. Let's just appreciate my friend's makeup real quick. Like quick makeup video. Oh, okay. All right, but yeah, we're gonna head into the store and we're actually gonna switch to iPhones because I don't know. It's kind of weird to be recording with a big camera inside the store, so
we don't want to get kicked out.
The quality might drop a little bit. I'm sorry guys, don't worry, you see my face again, just hold on, okay? Hold on. Yeah, okay, all right, bye. So guys, like I said, the quality is obviously dropped because I'm back on the iPhone. It's gonna get a little bit unstable and all that, but I'm in the thrift store right now and I have my shopping cart. You already know I'm trying to get a skater fit. You guys help me out because clearly I'm not really a skater kid, like, you know, but we're about to do this. We're about to win, you know. Mannequin team, stand up. And I'll get back to you when I find pants, first of all. So I mean, I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but we have a budget of $50, so we shouldn't go over $50. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a second. The lights here are crazy, like I can't even see myself, but I found these and they're $4.99. Copped. I found these $5.99. It's a shirt. I don't know how this is gonna be, honestly. Green is a very weird color for me, but I feel like skaters like mix and match colors. I don't know. You tell me. But copped this shirt. I don't know. I hope this will be big on me. You know, so we're not allowed to try anything on this like at this store. It's $1.99 still.
$12.97.
20? 12? Oh. So I just got back from Hold on, this is a bit too bright. There we go. So I just got back from the store. I got a shirt. I got an inner shirt, and I basically got shirts and pants. And yeah, I really don't know how it's gonna fit, but I think it might be a fit. You guys will be the judge. I feel like I might have lost this one, but you know what? No. We're gonna stay confident, you know? Mannequin team, stand up. Right now I'm gonna head to go pick up Laughter. Yeah. Yeah, so the camera, my camera battery just died, and we're back to okay quality.
Let's go fire!
Okay, so she finally came, and we've been waiting for like so long, but
it's $35 so far.
Oh really?
35.
That's looking
35
slow.
and I fire.
I spent 12.
12?
And then they rushed me out.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was actually crunch time. Yeah, but this is the first video, so obviously take it easy on us. But I mean, she seems hyped.
Let's go!
Let's see. Well, yeah, the camera died, so we're gonna have to go back to
phone.
Yeah,
I bet.
Who's this guy next to me?
Mad close.
Like if I hit you now, you complain.
I think he wants somebody to hit him because the way you're just
like, bro, come on.
Walking around.
Like, alright,
yeah, we might actually have to go back to Obi.
Yeah, let's go back.
Change there.
Yeah, we'll change it, and then exactly, and then we can You see, problem solved. So we have to stop and get food. Pizza Hut. Oh wait, yeah. Let me blur it out before these people. I don't know what they can do, honestly. This internet is crazy. But
pizza.
Yeah, I have pizza. Yeah, just keep following my life. Right now it's 7:02. There's still sun, so we have to make use of it while it lasts. So I'll catch you later. enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Also, comment down below who you thought won this challenge. And if this is also your first time watching my video, make sure you make sure you subscribe first of all, and then you turn on your post notification, and then you leave a like as well, and leave a comment as well, so I can notice you. And yeah, just join the family and enjoy the ride. Right now, I just dropped Laughter off, so I'm heading home. Hope you guys, once again, I say hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Stay cozy.